everyone, welcome back to another keto mukbang. This one is special. This is Rob's keto recipe for a Mexican chicken rice soup. And I'm going to do another horror movie for you guys. We're going to do Tucker and Dale versus Evil. Welcome everybody. Good to see everyone. How is everyone doing? I'm back with another mukbang like I said, and this one is a recipe my brother Rob came up with. So there is no slideshow at the end, but in the box I will have the whole recipe for you and how to make it. He just kind of threw it together, but it turned out delicious, and I wanted to share this one with you guys. This time of the year, during the fall, if you live in a climate like I do where it's cool, it's great to have soups and chilies and all those great things. So that's why I'm going to share this one with you guys. I wasn't here when he made it, so I don't have a slideshow to show you or pictures or anything, but I will give you the whole recipe in my box. So just go there to figure out how to make it. Basically, he used a chicken broth, chicken, cauliflowered rice instead of rice, of course, being keto. And then he put green beans in it. He put a green salsa in it, the picante green salsa, and just some other seasonings. So, and it turned out fabulous. So, yes, I wanted to share this with you guys. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Look at. So yummy. Oh, I'm excited to dip into this. I'm so cold. It's only about 38 to 40 degrees here in Minnesota. So soup is perfect. And then I'm just having it with a glass of vanilla unsweetened almond milk. And we're going to watch the movie, like I said, Tucker and Dale versus Evil. It's a comedy, but it's really funny. And it is more for adults. There is a lot of, blood and gore in this or whatever, but it is so funny. Great, great comedy. But it is the month of October, and we got to get some horror movies in here. So I'm going to get this started. And I don't have the box to show you because I'm actually watching it on Netflix. So I'm going to get it going here. Make sure the volume isn't too loud. Won't be able to show you any clips or anything, but, I'll just kind of talk about it a little bit. It's a funny movie. If you guys haven't seen it, definitely look into this one. It is really funny. Hopefully it's low enough here. So, how's everyone doing? What is everybody having tonight for their dinner? Like I said, I'm doing this chicken, he calls it a Mexican chicken rice soup because it's got the picante sauce in it. That's what gives it that Mexican taste. And it's so good. So what are you guys having this evening? Look at this. Yum. So yummy. Oh, it's really hot. Yum. Oh, I love stuff like this. I love a comfort food, and that's exactly what this is. Delicious comfort food. Look at the chicken in there. Yum. I'm dripping it. I don't have a paper towel, so I'm just using this right here. Yeah, if you haven't seen this movie, it's a great movie. It's funny. It's a comedy horror, but it's just hilarious. I really like it. If you haven't seen it, definitely look into it. So as you see, I'm in my new home to be. Got my shoes and everything behind me like I showed you guys in my live. I'll give you a tour of this room soon. Just need to finish one last thing, getting some clothes put away in the closet all done. Oh, this is good. You definitely taste the Mexican to it because he added that picante to it. So it definitely is more of a Mexican flavor. Delicious. And he said that the entire pot would make like 10 bowls. Okay, so I'll give you the exact recipe on it linked down in my box, but it makes like 10 servings, and it's pretty good serving size. Makes like 10 servings, and each serving would be about 3 or 4. It's because it'd be about 30 carbs for the whole pot. So he split it up 10 servings. Yeah, like I think he said it broke down to about, well, what is that? If it's 30, broke down 10 ways, that would be Let's see, yeah, like I said, probably around 3 or 4 carbs. I'm not calculating it all correct right now, but I'll get the correct calculation. But it is under 6 carbs in one sitting. So I do the 1 meal a day. You guys know that. But every once in a while, you know, I want to share something that I'm having. So this will be my 1 meal for the day, but I will add a little bit more to it. I'll have like a cucumber and some of the bacon bits and the ranch on the side just to give it a little bit more calories, because this is really, really, really low fat. Great one for you guys that are trying to lose weight. This one right here. But I know that this being a soup is definitely going to fill me up, so I didn't want to do both right now. Because I'll eat within like an hour window, unless I'm doing like a 3 to 4 hour window. Right now I'm doing about an hour window. So I'll eat this maybe about 45 minutes later, maybe right at that hour mark, maybe I'll eat that cucumber. If not, then I'll just wait till tomorrow. But to show you guys a video, I always like to do that. This is so good. I love it. You did a great job on this one. I told you in my last mukbang that he did a chili. That was phenomenal. I'll have to give you guys a video on that, doing a mukbang, and then of course I'll give you the recipe on that one too. But I want to do the actual mukbang on it, so you guys can see how delicious it looks. It was so great to go back in and do another live video with you guys. It had been almost 2 months. I missed a lot of you guys that are used to being in there. I didn't see you guys, but a lot of you guys didn't know that I was doing it. So hopefully my lives will get all of you guys back in there again. And I will be back next Thursday at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. This movie is so funny. Soups are always so filling too. And they say they are fat burning. When you eat a nice hot soup, it really burns, you know, calories and fat for you. And like I said, this one here being almost fat free. So that's a great one to have, and it'll fill you up. So yummy. And when you do it with the cauliflower rice, it does look like you have rice in it. I don't know if you can hear, my nephew is yelling at his dog. I'm back in my room here and he's yelling for his dog, Rocky. But yes, this is very filling. Soups are always so filling. So yummy. I kind of gave you the rundown on how to make it, but again, I will put exactly the recipe down below, what he used for everything. And the amounts. That part's funny. There's so many funny parts in this movie. I hope the lighting is okay in here for you guys. It's different because it is getting dark outside, so I don't have my shade open. If I had the shade open, I'd get better lighting in here, but it's dark, it's evening time, so I always do my 1 meal in the evening. But this one would be nice and low for me, so I've got room to do a little bit more. And I just normally would have, you know, like a water with it, or a Powerade, or a a diet soda. But I just really wanted a nice hot bowl of soup and a glass of milk. But of course we can't have milk, and I really love vanilla unsweetened almond milk. To me, I'd rather drink that over milk. So yummy. I have an idea for a breakfast, and I really hope that it turns out. I'm going to try to see if it turns out, and if it does, I'll do a video on it for you guys, but I'm really hoping it does, because it's something I used to eat a lot when I was a kid. Obviously, it wasn't keto. I'm going to turn it into keto. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. Drippied. Yum, this is so delicious. I'm sorry, this part is so funny too. There's so many funny parts in this movie. I'll tell you what, a hot soup really makes you warm. I'm really getting warm now. It's awesome to have the Netflix. There's so many great movies, and then Hulu and all that, especially during this month. So many great stuff. And then, of course, when December comes, you got all the Christmas movies. I love Christmas so much. I love Halloween and Christmas so much. Halloween I loved so much as a kid, even to now. I love horror movies. I love the costumes and all of that. And then, of course, December I love, you know, Jesus's birth and the lights. It's so beautiful and just so fun. I love Christmas time. I remember my dad, he loved Christmas so much, and he was always a big kid. Always loved opening up gifts or whatever. We had so much fun, more fun giving him gifts than getting gifts. Because Dad always made it so fun for us. It's so filling. Oh, I can barely finish it because I'm so full. Not too much in here, but I am really full. I only have a couple bites left, but I'm going to hold off on that because I'm really full. Soup really fills you up. You want to get full on something low fat, right there. That was the end of that. Milk, too. Got Minnie sleeping over there again. So many videos in it with her sleeping. I don't think she ever wakes up anymore. No. But anyways, sorry if this video was a little bit on the quick side, but it was just a bowl of soup. Very delicious soup. The ingredients, like I said, will be linked down in my box for you guys. That was one my brother Rob came up with. So I hope you guys will enjoy that and definitely try it out. It was absolutely delicious. And definitely check out that Tucker and Dale versus Evil. Super funny comedy horror movie. I love it. So anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed evening. Hope everything is going well. Hope you guys had a beautiful weekend. I love you guys very much. God bless and take care.